Good Vibes Only tissue paper painting. It's fairly easy. All you need is a canvas, tissue paper, and a spray bottle. All you need to do this is a white canvas, a spray bottle with water, some tissue paper cut into different shapes. I realized that the blue holds more pigment. Doesn't matter the color or shapes though, and a pen to draw things with. You're going to start by spraying the canvas until it is completely wet and covered. And then start placing your tissue paper. Doesn't matter the placement or where. Just make sure it's fully covered with tissue paper wherever you'd like. If your tissue paper begins to not stick, just respray all of it again. And then continue to apply the tissue paper till the canvas is thoroughly covered. As you can see, I have completed and I have no white showing. So I'll just set this aside and let it dry. It'll take about 15 minutes. And then we can peel off the paper and see what design is left us. And all the tissue paper has dried, so we're just going to start peel it off and see how much pigment has faded onto the canvas. Once you have taken all the tissue paper off, you will find this beautiful design that has left us. Almost a marbled look, and I really like it. So now you can just add a quote or a drawing, or just leave it plain. It's really up to you. Get as creative as you want. I'm probably gonna add a little quote to it, and I'll see you when I'm finished. So I ended up with these two amazing works of art that I really love. They're super easy to do. You probably have the supplies around your house. For this one, I chose the quote, "Hey warrior, keep going," because it's quite challenging times and we all need that encouragement to keep going, that we will get through this, and we will. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!